Monica. Don't try me, okay? You got anything on you that's gonna poke or stick me? You're being detained right now. Hey, she tried running on me, so she's gonna get obstruction.
This already sets the tone. What looks like a simple theft call quickly turns into a full-blown resistance situation. The big question is, was this panic or calculated escape?
So I found out of breath. Yep. If you could, that's even better. Have them step out. Just do the paperwork. Sorry, but all right. Get in the car. Get in the car. Oh, hold on. Let me make sure. All right. Have a seat.
At this point, officers are already shifting into caution mode. Anytime they ask about sharp objects, they're preparing for resistance or hidden contraband. Things are escalating fast.
Nikolai, she's a supervisor, but I was telling him it's not her. It's another employee there, Nikolai. He saw everything and he understood I was coming back to do a photo back anyway. If you just have him step out, I'll bring her out so he can. I told her to stop.
You got anything legal on you? Your bra anywhere?
You can do the act. You can do all the crazy act with me. Okay, it doesn't matter to me. Okay, all right. But I have to read you your rights, and then you can choose to talk to me or not. Okay, you understand? Okay. Veronica, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide any time to exercise his rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Veronica, do you understand each of these rights I explained to you? Okay. How many rights?
Now we're hearing Miranda rights coming in. This is the legal turning point. Everything she says after this can and will be used in court, which is why officers are pushing for clear answers.
They should talk to me. Okay. What's going on with Starbucks? What happened over at Starbucks? Are you gonna look? My patience is really thin with you right now, so you can choose to talk to me or not. I want clear answers. Okay. What happened at Starbucks? Say what?
You don't know?
You were talking just fine when me and the other officers were out with you earlier. Now you can't talk?
Do you have anything on you? Check again.
We're gonna double check.
Notice a shift in tone. This is no longer just questioning. The officer is losing patience, and when that happens, suspects often either cooperate or escalate further.
She's not talking. Double check.
So you don't want to talk to me about what happened at Starbucks? Okay. All right. Come here. Come on out. Step on out. Wait, glove up, man. I don't know what that is. What's that?
I'll let you glove up. It's a different glove.
Do you have anything on you?
I don't think she's peeing. That's from the car.
That's my cruiser. Still is there.
Do you have anything illegal?
Do you have anything illegal on you?
Can you say no? Can you say yes?
She's doing this act and she's talking to us over at Starbucks earlier. You been to jail before? Never?
You want me to transport?
I would rather have a female officer check. Because I'm just in case I find something. If I find something in there, I would like to have a female officer. Yeah, that's fine.
Just put it back.
All right, have a seat. You're being arrested for petty theft at Starbucks. That's what you're getting charged with. You understand me? And you're also getting charged for running from me. Get back in the car. When you ran from me and I called you out by name, and you chose to stay with Rabbit. You don't think I know who Rabbit is? We all know who Rabbit is. And then you run from me, and I had to chase you down. So you're gonna get an additional charge for obstruction. You understand? Okay.
If she has prior, you get a felony.
Yeah.
Check her underneath the signs.
Have a seat. Turn your feet around. Subject got out of her handcuffs.
Just keep her right here. Stay right there.
How's she gonna go anywhere? She
I'm
tried
just
to
trying
run
to tell you this is what she wants to do. Body language, and she's acting a fool. Okay? So here, go ahead. Handcuff her. We have limited amount of room.
Veronica, I need you to cooperate.
She wants to go, bro. She wants to go.
Veronica, it's over. This is over, okay? You want more charges?
Come on, Murph. Just put the handcuffs on. Here, I'll put my suit on.
Come on, man. I'm good. What are you
By the time you get that done, stay there. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Turn around.
Really?
Come on. This ain't even worth it. What do you think's gonna happen?
Just get it on, bro.
I mean, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do.
This is a chaos point. Multiple commands, resistance, confusion. When officers start repeating, stop resisting, it usually means physical control is breaking down.
Stop resisting, man.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
Stop resisting. She's falling automatically. Stop resisting.
Just put it on nice and
It's
snug.
locked.
Look, come on.
Hold on. Just hold on. Just get that. Just get this arm closer.
Put it on nice and good.
Shirt's unbelievable.
Hey, can you grab her or not? Hey, can you grab her with your
I'm
hands?
trying, bro. I'm trying.
Okay, this is the part where you let go, okay? Let go.
Yep.
Let go. Let
Don't
go.
move it.
Good.
Don't move it. So listen, before we get her up,
Do we have a van with you?
Why not?
before we get her up,
What do you want to do?
just be prepared. Do you have that Leo charges?
Yeah.
Okay. Just be prepared. If she resists this, she can get pepper spray.
Let it go, Veronica. It's over. Stop resisting.
I would tighten this one up a little bit more.
She ain't going on.
Just give me this key. All right, you ready?
She's kicking me in the butt.
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, have a seat in there. Don't resist. You're gonna get pepper spray.
Let's close the door.
Now it's fully de-escalation by force warning. Pepper spray is mentioned as a last resort. At this stage, compliance isn't optional anymore. It's being enforced.
Yeah, so we have a regular. His name is Rob. He usually gives 5s, and he came today. And then we noticed it was missing. But when she grabbed it, coins spread out everywhere and things like that. So it was unclear how much she went off with.
Okay, so we don't know.
How much exactly? Yeah.
Okay. Basically, I'm trying to nail down. So we don't know how much she took. But she
Yeah.
did something.
She definitely
Some-
got stuff.
yes.
All that she was getting in it points. The coins flew everywhere. The box stayed here when she grabbed, and change just flew out of her hand.
Come with multiple people, right? And all I have to say is, for the past
You guys want
20
to press
minutes,
charges?
yes, she was talking to the guy in the cafe for 20 minutes. I don't know if they know each other or not. I don't know what's going on, but she's always
What does she look
somebody.
like?
White woman,
Right, female.
like
How old is
light blonde hair,
Like blonde hair?
like brown or blonde, dark blonde hair.
You think she went to?
She went to Burger King. Like we know she did. Like Ryden, he took pictures of where she went and everything like that.
You have video of any of this?
Well, we have cameras, but we're told that you guys need to like request that from us.
So we're not gonna see anything today.
No.
Okay, because it's corporate.
Yeah.
All right. I understand she caused like a disturbance in here, but we don't know for certain if she took something. We're
Oh
kind
yeah,
of.
I can
Did you
say
see?
that I saw her.
What did you see her take?
I
How
saw
much
her.
did you see her take?
At least like $3 to $5 in tips.
In dollars?
Yeah, no.
Okay, I'll talk to you too. All right, and you guys want to prosecute?
Yeah.
Press charges.
I'll double check my manager, but I'm sure she would agree.
Okay, blouse, floor, pastel, nice handbag, and you saw her take $3 and ones from the tip jar.
Yeah. It seemed like she was going for like quarters too, which I don't know. I'm not sure. I didn't seem like it because everything was.
If you were to see her again, you can